Hey, ladies, Monka, hello.
Hello.
I'm taking them to Chenku Waterfalls. The place is right behind my house. And yeah, we are exploring Dodowa today. So they are saying that I should say it's not far from my house. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's actually 5 minutes drive away from my place if you have a car. Okay? It's a Saturday, so everyone is working. And look at the view. See, they're all talking at the background. Hey guys, so apparently this seat, they are saying is the seat of wisdom.
Yes.
And men are here. Me too, I am here. Keep walking and walking and walking, and we no reach that. Hey, see the clouds? Mighty. Oh, look at Coco. We are finally here. There's a photo shoot going on. Here is better. See, the funny here is way better. How would you want it to be that?
Oh, like once I'm walking into the water, you are taking me from my feet. Then when I'm jumping to my face, how I splash the water on my body. And also, I know that is slow motion. Allah. Not slow motion, I think.
Are you editing? Catherine! Are you busy? Another one to editing. Essie, I hope you are not editing now.
I'm having fun. Hey, when I saw this, I was so scared. Before I was sick.
So we're finally done with our mini trip right around around where I live. 5 minutes drive. So yeah, anyway, my t-shirt is from me and AJ, and I'm running along to meet my other colleagues. So catch you guys later. It is believed libation is poured over here. You know, if not, roads can be blocked, accidents can happen and all that. Like forever since I came here, I discovered here like I think around 2013, 14.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's when I got to know about Chenku Falls. And to come back, the only difference now is the white stones they've used to make pavement. Nothing has changed. And then the huts where they are saying they are doing lunch
Yeah.
or something. And yeah, basically just that. Sorry guys, I'm breathing heavy because I was jogging. I'm trying to lose some. But it's not working. Essie,
Hi.
how was your experience?
It was great. The serenity, the water, and all that. But apart from the guys coming there, jumping in the water, my bikini is still in my bag.
Yeah.
I really wanted to, swim
But-
and enjoy the water, but
You know,
it is what it is.
I think it's weekdays are.
weekdays there were a lot of people there, so I could just vlog a bit and take some.
What's your
videos.
channel name?
Lorie and I'm.
So guys, share. Please do check them out, okay? Let me go to the others, and you all remember her, my little sister from the Vlogmas video. And this is Catherine.
guys.
Sure.
Hi.
Oh, what you tell us about yourself and your
So-
experience?
It was amazing for me because it was one of the rare days I go out, and just that it was on a weekend, so there were some small children, small children there. So I didn't really have that much fun to enter the water.
Okay.
The water, but it was quite okay.
Quite yourself.
My name is Kachina Knitting, so I do videos on entrepreneurship, so literally basically anything about business. I talk
Okay.
about it on my channel, so please do check my channel out, Kachina Knitting.
That reminds me, do follow my shop at Shop Lodell on Instagram, okay? And do subscribe to her channel.
Also follow me on Instagram at Katrina Knitting. So I give tips on business branding and content creation.
Okay. We will be looking out for her videos since she's a content creator. So the last but one person.
Because I've got something to say. Hello. So my name is Henrietta Ajiti. The name of my channel is Entrepreneur Extra O, and I make videos on entrepreneurship and self-development.
Okay.
So do check me out, and if you have also some interest in really great travel content, you can also check my other channel, which is Henrietta Ajiti.
Okay, guys, should I also create another channel? What should I
don't
name
have
it?
to.
Let me know, please, because everyone is doing different channel. Okay, so guys, please do check them out. As always, you all know what to do. You know how we do it. Okay, we are on the last place. When you are driving to this place, just type in Chenku Waterfall. The map will bring you here directly. If you are coming with a bus, just get to Madina, pick Dodoa, alight at the market, ask where Chenku Waterfalls is. People will gladly help you. Okay, so yeah, catch you in the video, and we are signing out. Everyone say bye.
Bye guys. So everyone,
My sister didn't say bye.
bye.
Okay. Awaka. Waiting.